Meal patterns and servings. In this section, we will elaborate on how we make a reimbursable meal for breakfast, lunch, and other service. A key part of that requirement is serving size. We have charts from the USDA that define what counts as a serving size for different age groups of students. For example, look at this chart for lunch service. A student in elementary school must be offered at least a 3/4 cup serving of vegetables per lunch, while a high schooler must be offered at least 1 cup of vegetables. By the way, 2 different types of vegetables could make up that one serving, such as carrots and peas. For grains, an elementary student would need to be offered at least a 1-ounce equivalent, where a high school student would need to be offered at least a 2-ounce serving. As you work your kitchen, you will become familiar with serving sizes and our serving utensils. We have number 8 scoops, which are exactly 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup is also approximately the size of the palm of your hand. Salad bars. When it comes to serving, we often serve meals on salad bars, where students have the option to choose from multiple food items representing various food types. It's important that staff monitor the salad bars to be sure that we are offering all food types to all students. For example, we don't want a situation where a tray of green beans runs out and not all students are offered a green vegetable. We've mentioned that there are requirements for the nutritional components to be offered and served at each meal. However, there are additional requirements for what must be offered for the whole week. We have charts which break down this information for staff to make it easier to follow. As an example, vegetables must be offered every lunch. Over the course of the week, the offerings must amount to 3 3/4 cups for elementary school and middle school and 5 cups for high school. But over the course of the week, kitchens must offer dark green vegetables, red or orange vegetables, beans or peas and legumes, starchy vegetables, and others.